everyone, and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Janine. This is Janine's Tap Dance Studio. In today's video, I'm going to go over the Suzie Q. So this one is a really fun step to do if you want to throw it into a dance. It's super simple. It's just, taking your heel dig and pivoting it, swiveling on that heel dig. And it's kind of a showy step, so it's fun to add into your dances. So you're going to start with, I've learned it two different ways. You can either start with a stomp down. So you're going to go down in front of your other foot and a little bit at a diagonal, a little bit at an angle. So when you step down again, you can step down full foot, one foot in front of the other. And then when you're going to step over with your left, when you step down, you're going to pop that toe up. So you're going to swivel your foot from here, so turned, and you're going to step up, pop up onto that heel, and into that dig, and bringing your toe up, stepping down on your left foot so that then your weight is back in your left. So again, you're going to stomp a little bit at an angle here, and then when you pick up your left foot and step down there, swivel your right foot, picking up the toe. Then you're going to do it again, stomp down and up, popping it up, yeah? So again, stomping down at an angle, popping your toe up, down at an angle, popping toe up. You can also go to the left side. So stomping down on your left, a little bit at an angle, picking up your right foot. When you step down, popping that toe up, swiveling onto that heel dig. Doing that again, you have stomp and step. Okay? Let me show it going towards you so that you can see what it should look like. I'll start over here, starting on your right foot. You're going to stomp down in front, right in front of left, and pop up. And again, yeah, so just turning that heel or turning that stomp into a heel dig as you move your body to the side. So now your left foot's ready to go. Stomp, swivel, stomp, swivel. Okay, I also learned them as you can just start on that heel dig. So instead of going down onto that stomp, you're going to start it with the heel dig in front of you, and it's still going to be a little bit at an angle. So heel dig goes in front of you, a little bit at an angle when you step down, turning, and turning the foot over to the right if you're on the right, over to the left if you're on the left. So again, you can go dig, step, and it's just twisting that one foot out to the side. You can also do it left side, dig, step down, as you swivel over to the other side, yeah? So as you swivel, you're going to put your dig down, swivel out, and step down. Okay? So let me show you these facing you. You're going to go down, swivel, down, swivel. These are called the Suzie Q. And then on the other side, down and out, down, out. There you go. You want to think about every time your foot, or not your foot, but every time your toe starts to move out to the side, that is when you want to pick up your foot and step down. So right when it ends on that last part out to the side, you want to be stepping down. Yeah? So they should happen at the same time. So let me try a little bit faster so you can go here with the right foot again. 1, 2, 3, and left side. 1, 2, 3. There you go. You can see I'm starting to really scuff up my board a little bit. So that may be a reason to start with the stomp and then go up. But I find them fun to do them both ways. So again, like I said, these are really fun to throw into a dance that needs a little bit more, something showy. These are called Suzie Qs. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe for new tap videos every Tuesday and Thursday. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.